Have you ever wondered how to track offline customer journeys? In today's digital age, understanding consumer habits is crucial. Uniqode transforms this tracking into a seamless experience. With Uniqode, enhance your marketing using secure QR codes at every consumer journey stage. Communicate big messages in small spaces. Imagine Nestlé using QR codes on water bottles, giving consumers exact sourcing information. This creates transparency and trust. Uniqode offers 3 key benefits. First, we ensure best-in-class security compliance for your data safety. Second, our platform supports team collaboration, fostering efficient business growth. Lastly, branded QR codes align with your branding for consistency. What sets Uniqode apart? Our analytics help you understand when and where codes are scanned. We facilitate easy integrations for busy CPG teams. For a transformation, sign up for a free API trial today. Create 2,000 dynamic QR codes quickly and automate your campaigns. Engage customers where it matters. Uniqode connects consumers online with one scan. Our support and advanced features maximize your marketing impact. Join industry leaders trusting Uniqode. Don't wait, elevate your consumer engagement strategy today.